I got it for a good deal at Best Buy, which is just close by here where we live. We went down there, take a look, and we saw it on display for $179. And I think that's a good deal for a 5 cubic feet freezer.
Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Join us today as we unbox the freezer that we recently purchased. So here we go.
So as you can see, it's Insignia. We bought it recently at Best Buy, so we're gonna open it up to see what it's like. If any damage to it, it's always good to record while you're opening up an item. So let's see. So we're gonna start from here. There's 2 straps that it comes with for security. So let's see. It seems to be okay so far. No damages on the edge. Seems to
I'll
be.
take that.
Oh, it's okay. Let's see. Oh, here it is right here. I think we're gonna can lift this right out. And can just fold it into there. Well, here it is. Seems to be in good condition. Don't see any damage. So that's a good thing. So this is what it's like. And it also have a tray inside. You can slide over. You can put it on either side and you can see it's a fairly big enough size. And it also have a drain plug in the bottom here. It's a drain when you need to get it defrost. And it also have a opening here to let the water out. So it have the controls here to turn it higher or lower. So we're gonna just keep it right in this corner here in our storage. It's always a good idea to have a freezer like this. You can go bigger if you want, but this is just a good size because it depends on how many meat you want to put away. But we don't really use much meat But still, you need something like this, even if you're in an apartment. If you have a house, you can get a bigger one, and usually you'd have it in the basement. But we are in an apartment, so there's no room in the kitchen for it, so we have it in the storage. Yeah, because it will help because of your fridge is so limited to the amount of stuff you can keep in the freezer. So this will help perfectly well. We can take the stuff out the freezer and put everything in here, and in the freezer, in the fridge, you can put your ice cream and your vegetable, separate the meat from vegetable and stuff like that. So we're putting all the meat kind in this. Yeah, so this is it. We're gonna plug it in and get it going. All right, see? Okay, well, thanks for watching, and join us on the next one. When we have something to unbox again. Okay, take care now.
Thanks
Please
for
like
watching. Please like, share, and
and
subscribe.
subscribe as usual. And thank you very much. Have a good day.
Bye for now. Peace out.